Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Something just came in the mail for me. Can you guess what it is? Okay guys, let's see what's in it. Whoa, it says, hello, thanks for choosing Havit or something like that. Okay, now let's open it. So that one right here. Oh, this looks cool. Oh, what is this? Something? Whoa, this thing is big. Is there anything else? It's a card or something. What is this? I think this is... Put that off to the side. Okay, this one, let's see what it is. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, wait, hold on. Okay, let's take it out. Oh, it's a keyboard. Whoa, this is cool. That's an eagle. Look. Or a hawk, whatever it is. Wow, it feels nice. It looks good. Whoa. Let's see what's inside of this part of the box. Let's see this. How are we gonna get this? Oh, that was easy. Just lift off something. Okay, let's get it out. Wait, how do I get this out? Okay, there. Let's go out of the trash. Whoa, this is a cool mouse. Oh, it feels good. And it has another eagle. Whoa, it looks like it lights up right here. Whoa. Does that mean the keyboard lights up? Maybe. Okay. Well, this is really cool. Okay, guys, now we just need to connect it to the computer that I play Roblox on. And that's going to be fun. So, let's get to connecting it. So, the keyboard and mouse were less than $30 plus shipping. And if you guys are interested in buying them, it will be in the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and leave a like if you guessed it right. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!